Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So I got another case in for the Essential phone. Yes, the Essential phone is still kicking. Like brand new, folks. Like brand new. Works like new. So this is the LULA 2.0 case for the Essential phone. And essentially, this is for people who have the camera mod. And I personally don't use the camera mod, but this is for people who have the camera mod. But I like this case itself. You know, I just like the color of this case. And I like how TUDIA is going to the easy open packaging, which is a huge plus. But this case right here itself is just a sweet case. It's got this soft touch, comes in 4 colors, looks like at this point. This metallic slate, matte black, a mint color, and a rose gold. So keep that in mind. But obviously having the white phone, you want to go with this version right here. So again, if you were going to use your camera mod, it would snap on just right here so that you can still have access. And that's particularly what these cases are for, is for people who constantly use the camera mod, because you have to snap it on. So if you don't have a case like this, you have to take it off, which is a horrible deal. Other than that, you've got a cutout for a microphone, fingerprint reader, camera sensor, and everything right there. LED flash and laser autofocus. You've got all your ports cut out right here. This is just a nice case overall. Just even though it doesn't have the spot right here, it's still nice. I like the way it feels, and the color is not nice. So power button is deeply recessed cutout right there for which works. You got the volume rockers covered, and you got these little slits on the edges here to help get it off kind of easy for you. While we're at the bottom, you've got the ports for the microphone. Charge and sync cable is open really wide there. Your speaker cut out, and slight TUDIA branding right there, real faint. And that is it. Well, it's such a beautiful looking case for the Essential Phone PH-1. So there you have it. It's your man Jay Will. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.